I have a few things to return. When I was at the dollar store, I picked up these envelopes, and I'm so glad that I did, because have you ever received a package like from a clothing department store that came in an envelope similar to this? If you don't use that tear strap, you can't use it as a return package. So you know what I'm trying to say, right? Okay, so sugar honey iced tea. I left the invoice at home. I can't even return it today. Oh God, so annoying. Anyway, all right, let me just package it. What I was going to tell you is that these make great dupes. Oh, and I didn't even realize you turned. Sorry about that. That was, okay. I can't even seal it because I don't have the, all right. This was a waste. Okay. Anyway, I'm wearing my Chanel dupe with my Forever 21 cardigan. You know, I thought that this would be an unflattering combination. I wasted so much time trying to find the right jacket to wear because the weather is kind of, it's good, but it's not perfect. So that, wasted a good portion of, you know, sunlight. I did go to Sephora because I made some purchases during the VIB for some friends, but then they decided they didn't want it, so I had to go through the hassle of returning. I'll never do that again, by the way. But I want to show you what I picked up, because while I was waiting on the line, oh, and Rami had mentioned how that brush, that makeup brush that I got in the last vlog was actually last year's present. Except last year I got a tote bag. Anyway, went into Sephora, and they gave me this cute little card holder with the lips on it. Isn't that cute? I haven't taken it out. I like how it's embossed Sephora. There we go, right there, Sephora. Oh, these are my new kiss nails. Did I tell you I changed them? I don't know if I told you I changed them, but yeah, I changed them. Then I also picked up, again, from the trial aisle, I guess I figured because it's 15% off that it's really not such a big deal. I picked up this IGK Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray to use with my curling wand to see if I can recreate that look. Listen, I'm never going to recreate that look. Who am I kidding? But to attempt to recreate the look that I got from Dry Bar last time. Then I also picked up Flash Fix Good Jeans and Ceramic Slip. One is a cleanser, a clay cleanser, and the other one is an all-in-one lactic acid treatment by Sunday Riley. So I picked this up, and I used my points in this particular Sephora that I went to. As it turns out, this Caudalie was one of the 100 pointer items that you could pick up. And I also picked up from Dry Bar, it's called Southern Belle Volume Boosting Root Lifter. So here it is right there. I picked this up, and with I used 500 points to get this. This is by Algenist. It's the Power Advanced Wrinkle Fighter Serum, the Retinol Firming and Lifting Serum, the Eye Renewal Balm, and the Genius Ultimate Anti-Aging Cream. I picked up this little gift set using 500 points to get this. So all was not lost by going to return the items that I picked up from other people. I'm actually quite happy with that. So, all right, I can't do anything here. I can't believe I left the return package. I like to make a copy of my return packages. The return slips. I like to make copies to keep as record, and I left it in my copier. Damn it. All right. Well, I happen to be on the same road where the drive-thru for Starbucks is. So I'm gonna go pick up a decaf, and I wanted to go out to H&M to pick up some basics, because spring is kind of springing and summer will be here soon. I predict that it will be 60-degree weather all the way up until one specific day that Mother Nature decides to, like, wham, hit us with 85, 90 degrees. Mother Nature, she needs to take her lithium. I need gradual ascension into summer, not just this punch in the face. Ow. What is wrong with me? Let me go get my decaf. And yeah, that's couple things. One, my car is screaming for a car wash. Second, does anyone listen to Lana Del Rey? I was just listening to, I have her on my playlist. I love that song National Anthem and Summertime Madness, but every time I go into camera mode, then my iMusic turns off. Change of plans. I've decided to come to TJ Maxx. Which dressing room do I want? I'll use this one. And I came in here for jeans specifically, and I saw these two tops here. So let's try everything on, but really quick, my outfit of the day, maybe I should hold it this way. Yeah. Outfit of the day is a H&M sweater that I bought back in October. Burberry scarf because it's a little bit chilly out. Forever 21 long cardigan. My faux Chanel plastic dupe with all my SLGs inside. I'm wearing some random jeans. I don't remember where they're from, but they really are like in the thigh area on their way out. And Bonbon boots. Let's see if I can get a close up. There we go. And Chloe's sunglasses, but doesn't make sense to wear them while I'm in the store. I also did contour to my nose. Tell me if you could tell. Can you tell? I don't know. Anyway. This is actually a very clean dressing room, and I'm really liking the lighting in here. I actually really like this blouse. It's striped, it's loose, it's flowy. I'm doing that little half tuck thingy. And these are the jeans that I'm trying on. Who are they by? They're by Wax Jeans. Never heard of them. They're in a size 9, and with a little butter, I was able to slip them on. They fit good on the rear end. So I think these are a yes. I really like this top. I have another striped blouse like this, except it's got 2 pockets and the lines on the pockets are vertical and, I'm sorry, horizontal. So I think I'm gonna get this anyway because I like it. And you can never have too much of the same thing, can you? So basically it was just a one and done situation for me. That first outfit that you saw me try on, I picked up. I also found a really nice OPI color that I'm thinking about going over this color with because I'm not really feeling the French as much as I thought I would. I left the house because I'm dropping my car off to get serviced. I'm bringing my boyfriend's car back from being serviced. And I had all intentions of finally dropping off the returns that I had to New York and Company. I'm wearing my John Lennon glasses. Hold on. Oh my God. My hands are so dry. This is so embarrassing. I can see it every time I edit and I have to adjust the phone. Okay, a little sidetrack here. I have a vlogging camera that I use. I have one SD card that is working properly. I've been meaning to order another one. I'm going to do it today from Amazon, 2-day Prime shipping. Coffee Lover LV told me that if your Prime is ever late, to let them know because I guess they extend your membership for free. So I have to give them a call because I have several packages that have arrived late. Okay, I just saw a message that irritated me. Let me keep it together. Let to keep it together. Now I forgot why I was talking to you about the John Lennon glasses. I'm gonna get back to you. Yesterday turned into a huge mess of a day because of the rain, because of the tremendous amount of traffic, and I had to do a shift switch for someone, so I had to go into work at midnight. So now I'm just on my way to Tiffany to pick up a birthday present for my boyfriend's sister's birthday. I'm really displeased every time I have to walk into any nice store though in my uniform. It tends to bother me. I feel like I don't get the kind of service I normally would if I were not even dressed up per se, but like how I would dress for the day. My phone keeps shifting and I look like a tired hot mess. Ugh, God. I used some blotting tissues to take away some of the oil, but then I realized that I blotted off my eyebrows, so I'm going to fix them really quickly right now. I'm going to see if I can maybe angle it so that I can show you how I do it. I'm using this NYX eyebrow filler, so I'm going to do some vertical strokes like this. Wow, I really took a lot off. I'm just gonna kind of like, oh, I hate when I do that. Gave too much of a flick there. I think you guys have seen me do this in another video, but just in case. This is my double shift. I'm switching with someone. Instead of doing the midnight, the 8 a.m. to midnight, I'm doing the midnight to 4 p.m., which is a lot harder. It feels longer too. I feel like this side looks more like hair strokes than this side, but I just needed to fill this in quickly. I can't be too picky right now. I think that's good. Oh my God, I'm so tired. You can see it. In case I did not show you, it is the NYX Build 'Em Up. The color I'm using is, I'm pretty sure it's anything that has ash in the color brown. Oh, I never made it to the birthday party, by the way. I was exhausted and I got home, I was feeling cranky, and I figured that if I went, I was going to spend most of the time looking at the clock, and I just wouldn't have had a good time. Plus, I would have to come back to work and do 16 hours. And rather than go home, sleep for 3 hours, and try to push through on this birthday and just feel ultimately tired and not feeling my best, I just had to listen to my body and go home and go to sleep. So I never made it. Oh wait, hold on, I'm missing the sensor here. Okay, here we go. I never made it, and ultimately what I ended up doing was going to Tiffany to get her present, but I just didn't have it in me to vlog. I was so exhausted, so I didn't bring you guys inside with me. Sorry about that. And let's see what happens with the rest of today, because I'm off, then I'm off tonight, and then I'm off tomorrow the whole day. I'm looking in the wrong spot again. Sorry. I think we can safely say that this is the end of the road as far as my day goes, especially after the shifts that I've had, but I wanted to share with you in case you all missed my live Insta story. I thought I had saved it, but apparently I didn't save it. So I got another PVC. I had mentioned in a previous vlog that I was going to get the white one, and I did, and she's gorgeous. And the way I plan to wear her, I want to show you the shoes that I had in mind when I picked her out. I definitely see her paired up with these Gucci espadrilles. I also see her paired up with my nude Christian Louboutin. I just love these shoes. I just think they look so amazing with the red. And then last but not least, I can't believe I forgot to show this on the Insta story, anybody that saw it, my Valentino Rock Stud flip-flops. So I really have a nice lineup set up for the summer with this bag, and I'm so excited to show you something else that's coming in the mail and you might possibly flip out. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one.